Okay, we got a 2017 and up upper A arm for, these are all about the same, a XP 1000, a turbo, a 900S, 1000S. On the upper A arm, we're installing this grease fitting kit with the performance side-by-side bushings, and the OEM, they quit putting bushings, or putting grease fitting kits on the A arms in 2017, and we find that you have a whole lot better luck with a grease fitting on them. And just going to show you a little bit how we do this. The upper A arm, the front location will need a grease fitting, and we use a 90-degree grease fitting on this one so you can get to it. The rear bushing, it's just one small bushing in there, and it doesn't need a grease fitting on the 2017 kit and up kit. We use different materials and some stainless caps and the bushing material we use, and it holds up fine in that location for that one there. On the lower A arm, you can put your just the straight grease fittings in it. You're fine with that. It'd be the same process as this, locating it, make sure you got it where you want it at. We'll show you a little bit about locating it and drilling and tapping your hole. Alright, you'll want to take you a tape measure, measure the width of your bushing holder, divide that out by 2, scribe you a little mark so you get the center, double check it, and we've got a little punch here. We'll make us a little prick point here. I don't hit my hand. Take your drill that's supplied with our kit. It's best just to go nice and easy with all this. That little prick point you make will help locate the point of the drill. And you obviously want it straight as you can get it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but straighter the better. Next, you'll take your tap and use some lube on it, some cutting oil, and try to start your tap straight as you can also. And you definitely don't get in a hurry on this, and you try to hold it straight as you can. If you just grab one of these arms and start pulling on it, you're going to put a side load on it and you're going to break your tap. And it's best just to go 1/8 turn, back up, 1/8, quarter turn, something like that, back up. Just small amounts, just a little bit till you feel it grab, back up to break the chip, a little more, back up and break your chip. Just don't get in a hurry doing this. It'll go through. Yeah. And then you'll put your grease fitting in. You'll locate it like that right there, and then it's ready to install your bushings.